Hey friends, I am Kollol Ghosh, and in the previous video I have explained what is router and what is routing. So in this video I'm going to tell you what is static routing, and I'm going to show you how to configure static routing on a Cisco router. So you ready? So you can use the GNS3 and the Cisco packet tracer also. I'm using the Cisco packet tracer, and I have taken here 3 routers, the 2621XM router from here, and I have taken 3 switches and 2 PCs for each network. So the routers are connected with the serial port, and the the router and the switch are connected with fast Ethernet, and the switch to PC are connected to fast Ethernet. And I have taken the IPs to connect the routers and the switches to routers. So first you have to know that what is static routing. So static routing means when the network administrator sets the other network informations to each router. So I'm giving you an example. So this router knows only this and this network only, because it is directly connected. So this router does not know about other 3 networks. So the network administrator have to put the network information on the router manually. So it is called the static routing. So static routing means when the network administrator configures the other network information to each router manually. So it is called the static routing. So I am going to show you how to configure the static routing on a Cisco router. So ready? So first open the router and go to CLI mode, and first enable it. So command en and enter, and go to first the configuration mode. So configuration T. So you have to first put the IP address to the serial port. This is serial 0/0, and we have to give all the IP address to each interfaces. So first go to serial 0/0. So type here in int, that means interface, space se means the serial port 0/0, and press enter. So you are in the interface right now. So interface 0/0. So give here the IP address, IP space address 10.10.10.1 and space, and give the subnet mask here 255.255.255.252, and press enter, and give the clock rate here 64,000, and press no shut this command. So end with Ctrl Z, and again go to the configuration mode, configuration T, and I'm going to give the IP to the fast Ethernet 0/1. This is, so go to fast Ethernet port int space fa 0/1 and press enter. IP space address 150.100.100.1 space, and give the subnet mask 0, and type here no shut, and end with Ctrl Z and WR. So this router almost configured with the IP. So we have to do same thing to each router. So I am showing you. So I'm opening the router, have gone to CLI mode, and first enable, and go to configuration mode, and type here the interface serial 0/0, and type the IP here, IP space address 10.10.10.2 space the subnet mask, and type here no shut. And go to the first Ethernet. I think it is 0/1. Yes, it is. So press enter and give the IP here, IP address 180.100.100.1 and give the subnet mask and press no shutdown. And you have to configure this interface also. This is serial 0/1. So interface serial 0/1 and give the IP here 20.20.20.1 and they give the subnet mask and give the clock rate 64,000 and press no shut, and with Control Z and WR. So this router is almost configured and this one is left. So I'm opening it. This is serial 0/1. So first go to CLI mode and do the same as I have done. First enable and go to configuration mode and go to the serial port 0/1 and give the IP address here 2/255.255.255.252 and no shut. And go to the fast Ethernet and give the IP here and the subnet mask and no shut, and with Control Z and WR. So the three routers are almost configured, and what you have to do now, you have to set routing in the routers to pass the packets. So I am now going to configure with static routing what I have said a few minutes ago. Now I'm going to show you how to configure the static routing. So the interfaces are configured with the IP addresses. So I'm showing you how to configure the static routing. So first open this router and first go to configuration mode and press this command IP route, and you can see what you have to do by pressing here the question mark, and here showing the destination prefix. That means we have to give here the destination IP address. So here destination IP address is first thing I am going to this router knows this network. So this router does not know this network and this network. So I have to give these three network information to this router. So first I am going to put this IP, this network, because this router does not know this network. So I am going to put this network information on this router. So first this IP route and IP space route space and the destination IP destination network 0 and the subnet mask and space, and we have to give here the next hop address. Next hop address means where it is first meeting. So I am giving an example. So just think a bus is arriving from here and the bus is going from here and it is going and it is going and it is the first stoppage of the bus. So this first stoppage is known as the first hop address of this router. So the first I have you can understand that what is hop address. So first hop address. So first hop address means where the packet meets first to the next router. So this is the first hop address. The first hop address is 10.10.10.2. So give here the first hop address 10.10.10.2 and press enter. So this network is configured, and we have to do same to the next two networks. So again press IP space route and the network 20.20.20.0 space the subnet mask 252 and the next hop address 10.10.10.2. so we have to do the next network IP route 200.100.100.0 and the subnet mask and the next hop address. So end with Control Z and WR. So we have to put the other network information that is not directly connected to the router. So we have to do with same as I have done with this router. I'm going to configure this router. So this router knows this network and this network because it is directly connected. It is not directly connected with these two networks, this one and this one. So we have to configure these two networks. So first go to the configuration mode, same as I have done, and press here IP route and give the IP 150.100.100.0 the network and the subnet mask .0 and the next hop address. So I'm showing you what is the next hop address of this. So I'm going to configure this network. So it have to go to this route. So the next hop address is 10.10.10.1. so here give here the next hop address 10.10.10.1 and press enter and press IP route and the next other network, the subnet mask and the next hop address. So I'm showing you what is the next hop address. So here is the network and it has to go from here this route, and its next hop address is 20.20.20.2. so this is a few mistake from me. This is 2. So this the network hop next hop address is 20.20.20.2 and give her the next hop address and press enter. End with Control Z and WR. So almost done the two routers, and I have to configure this router. This router only knows these two networks, and we have to configure the three networks. So do same as I have done to the other routers. So first go to the configuration mode and type the command IP route and give the network 10.10.10.0 255.255.255.252 and the next hop address. So it will go from this route only, and always be the next hop address is 20.20.20.1. so give her the next hop address. Again press the command IP route and give the network that you want to 100.0 and the subnet mask and give the next hop address, and do same with the third network 150.100.100.0 and 255.255.255.0 and the next hop address. So end with Control Z and WR. So almost done. So the routers are connected to the I have configured the routers with the with static routing, and I'm showing you the packet will pass or the network is okay or not. We have to send packets from between different nodes. So first give the IP addresses to the nodes 150.100.100.10 IP address and the subnet mask, and give the default gateway 1. Do it the same 11. Give the default gateway and configure this too. And give the default gateway. The default gateway is 180.100.100.1, and the last two nodes 200.100.100.10, and give the default gateway. So you know what is the meaning of default gateway? That means where it's connected directly. This one is belongs to this network, and this network is, and the first Ethernet IP is 200.100.100.1, so its default gateway is that one, 200.100.100.1. so this is the default gateway. So all the computers are configured, so let's see the packet will pass or not. So first we have to I am first ping this computer to another network. I am pinging this computer 200.100.100.11. So you can see that the reply is coming, reply from 200.100.100.11. so the network is configured with static routing. You can see the routing information from the router also. So to show, press show IP route. So you can see that 10.10.10.10, it is directly connected, and so it is C means directly connected, and S means you have done its static routing. So 20.20.20.20, this is statically connected. I have configured the static routing, this one and this one, these two networks also. So it is showing the S means the static, this is configured with static routing, and you can see that C means directly connected, 10.10.10.0 is directly connected, and 150.110.100.100.0 is directly connected. You can see that, and these are the networks that is statically connected. I have done the static routing manually to this router. So this is how to configure the static routing to the networks, any network. Static routing is very simple. So this is high security level to the network, the static routing, and you can ping from here like 150.100.100.11. so you can see the reply. So the network is appropriate and it is working correctly. So this is, friends, how to configure the static routing, and you can, after practicing some time, you can do this anytime. That is very simple, the static routing configuration. So in the next video I'll show you what is dynamic routing and how to configure the dynamic routing protocols to the router. So if you like my video, and if you want to get attached and connected with this type of video, like my videos, and please subscribe my channel and share where you can. So in the next video I'll show you how to configure the dynamic routing protocols and what is dynamic routing. So this is my channel, and you can subscribe it to see this type of videos, and please like and share my videos. So I will show in the next video. Thanks for watching.